Hearing officer does not speak in Hindi. He will speak in English. It is expected that you will be able to understand the questions. Okay, the questions are going to be clubbed. That means 5 or 6 questions could be asked at the same time. Now, it is for you to first remember the questions asked and thereafter give answers without being reminded to as many of the questions asked as you can. The sequence doesn't matter as long as you can cover up. Now, while you're answering, the emphasis is given and the marks are given on the input in terms of details that you provide. The more details you give, the more your chances of clearing the interview. But the issue is that the details which you are giving should be relevant to the question asked. Okay, he's asking north and you are talking about south and going on talking, it doesn't have any sense. Secondly, what can be communicated in 10 words, if you are communicating in 15 is okay, but if you want to drag on and communicate in 30 words, it is not acceptable. So be concise, be brief, but do not hesitate to give the details. Also, do not presume that yaar ye to interviewing officer ko pata hoga. You don't worry. You keep presuming that he doesn't know anything and you keep giving the inputs as much as you can. Do not tell lies. If you tell lies, you will be caught, you will be spilling into a more severe web and you will be in trouble. So if you do not know something which you are not able to answer, you must acknowledge, I'm sorry sir, I am not prepared, and update myself, whichever way you want to put it. But the important thing here is that whatever question you've not been able to answer, you must update yourself on those questions and be prepared with the answers. Because sometimes what happened, I've seen that during the final conference, there is a discussion before the candidate should be recommended on, okay, they say, let's ask him questions. So at that stage, you are sometimes asked questions which you did not answer. Now, once you answer those questions, your chances of recommendations go up. That means you have the initiative, you've tried to cover up those things, you've come for a cause, and not that you've come, theek hai yaar, nahi hai to nahi hai, koi baat nahi. So don't have that attitude. The opening sentence is generally something to make you comfortable. So here again, try to give as many details and as much in a logical manner as possible, because it is a good thing when you go there, irrespective of how much I tell you, when you go inside, there is always a little bit of nervousness. When you sit down and you find that the thing is asked you is not a question but something with which you are familiar, then you start getting confident, and when you start speaking, generally you will not be interrupted and it will be a nod or yes, go